Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what I received in the spring 2022 Fab Fit Fun, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, I'm super excited. Receiving my Fab Fit Fun box is always a joy. Well, is it always? I'm more excited this year. Last spring's box was no bueno. However, this year when I was making my selections, I wasn't disappointed. Now, that doesn't mean I won't change my mind when I unbox. It goes both ways. Sometimes when I make my choices, I'm fine. But then when I unbox, I'm like, this box isn't very good. And then sometimes the reverse happens. As I make my selections, I'm grumpy, but when I unbox, I've had a change of heart or it isn't so bad. We shall see what kind of a box this is. And if anyone isn't aware of what even FabFitFun is all about, it is a seasonal subscription which has a mix of lifestyle, home goods, light technology, and some beauty products. It is quarterly or seasonally 4 times a year. It costs, I want to say, like $49.99. However, if you pay for 1 year in advance, it drops the price to like $45 a box, and you get to make all of your selections. I'm not quite sure if you only go seasonally. Maybe you only get 3 out of the 8. Let me stop rambling and let's dive in to this ginormous, heavy box. This box may be larger than normal, or for some of you who get it, because I did make a few add-on purchases, as well as for the first time ever, I signed up to receive, I don't even know what they call it. It's like every subscription I'll get it, and I believe it was like a hand cream. I don't know, it was a really good price. Hopefully it will all come back to me when I start doing the unboxing. The subscription does come with a magazine, which used to have prices and explained what you got for choice 1, choice 2, etc. I think they've switched and I don't know. I really don't pay attention to that booklet. The item I selected to renew each quarter is from Spongelle, and it is the Coconut Verbena Hand Cream. I don't know if I'll keep that going because it was only $6, but this is quite small, which will be apparent when you see the next item I purchased as an add-on, which is this 2-pack here of hand creams. And these are the Velvet Luxe Vegan Body and Hand Creams. These are 241 grams, and this is 57 grams. Same price, or within $1. I want to say this was $6, this was maybe $7, I think $6. Anyways, yeah, so this, I don't know if it's worth it when you could get something like this. And the last add-on I got is this product here from Hero. This here is the Clear Collective, which is a balancing capsule toner. This is what the product looks like. I had to pick up this toner even though I'm on a low buy because A, low, not no, and I'm a sucker for toners, and who could beat that price? All right, let's dive in and see what came in the spring box. Okay, item number 1 I'm super excited about. This is from iFavor, and it is a spoon rest. This is what the spoon rest looks like. Adorable. I love the color story. Pretty neutral, pretty modern, has a nice curve. If you cook a lot, you would enjoy this. I'm surprised at how lightweight it is because normally ceramics are a little heavier, but hey, my dirty spoon can sit here and not mess up my counter. All right, what else did I get? What do we have here? This here is from Prive Revaux, and it's eyewear. These should be sunglasses, I hope, I think. Comes in a little case. Leave me a comment. Do you guys hang on to these cases and store your sunglasses, or do you just toss them in your purse? I try to keep those for a while, and then, yeah, you lose them or you spill on it. This is what they look like. All right. Let's see. if I can pull these off. But there's only one way to find out. I think these are a little too big for my face shape. But let me know. There wasn't a lot in that selection that intrigued me. These are, yeah. I don't hate them, but they aren't the best for my face. All right, what else did I get? Okay, super excited about this one. Dun, dun, dun. This here is an Acacia Lazy Susan from Caravan, and I am in a mood to organize my kitchen. Plus, I just love a Lazy Susan, and some of the other options were not up my alley. And compared to last spring, they had good choices this time. This is what it looks like. Let's see if I can demo without destroying. Yay! All right, so that's a decent size. If I had to guess, how about I not guess and actually see the dimensions of the box here? It's 10 by 8 inches, which is, my guess would have been 12. So I was off, but not by much. So hopefully this will fit into my cupboard and I can put my little spices and then not have to take 15 things out to get to the back. Do you guys do that too? Well, not for much longer. Okay, what else did I get? Yes, I got some form of beauty product. This here is from Earth Harbor. I know their packaging by now. It is Glow Juice, which is a refining enzyme mask. Ooh, mask. Why would I get a mask? Hopefully it was because I read up and it was 5 minutes that I could throw on while I'm showering, or there was nothing else I wanted. Oh, interesting. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. It's very jiggly, and masks usually are thicker. Let me see what it says. All right, I was correct. It is a leave-on mask. However, it says leave on up to 3 minutes. I can do 3 minutes. It is not safety sealed, which, why not? But let me smell it. Oh, it smells lovely, but don't ask me to tell you what it smells like. Maybe grapefruit or citrus. Okay, I'll throw it in my shower and give it a try. What else did I get? Yes, I also recognize this packaging. We have a product from Farmacy, which has seen the better light. It's all like torn and smushed. Hopefully that happened when it traveled to my house. It isn't like some return product. This is the Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I love a good moisturizer, and Farmacy is a really good brand with great ingredients. Ooh, how fancy. It comes with a spoon that's metal, and that's a magnet, and it's shaped kind of like a honeycomb-ish. That is lovely. Okay, yes. And the last item, I have a palette from Butter London, and it's the Teddy Girl. At one point in time, I had the Teddy Boy, and I believe I put it in a giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I am close to hitting 800 subscribers. I'm going to do another giveaway when I hit 800. So we will use this video as the place where you would sign up. Unfortunately, anyone international, shipping is just too darn expensive. I make zero money on my channel. It's all out of pocket. Everything I buy, every subscription. I would love to let international people participate, but I'm telling you, it's like 40, 50, depending on the weight, $60+ to ship internationally. Maybe someday when I hit 1K subscribers and make a little bit of income to offset, I would love to include those folks. All right, so for this giveaway, you must be subscribed, leave a comment, and let me know which item I unboxed was your favorite. Okay, let's take a look at the color story for this palette. Yes, that is a lovely, warm, neutral, right up my alley. I am going to enjoy using this. All right, let's recap everything I picked up in the Spring 2022 Fab Fit Fun. I got a 9-pan eyeshadow palette from Butter London, a ceramide moisturizer from the Farmacy, a refining enzyme mask from Earth Harbor, a pair of cat eye sunglasses, a spoon rest, and an acacia wood Lazy Susan. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, that was really hard to hold up and get in frame. I enjoyed all but one of the items, which is spectacular in any box, particularly a Fabfitfun box, and extra particularly, if that's even a phrase you can say, in the Spring Fabfitfun box, because normally Spring isn't very good. So the one item I'm like, I just don't think they look good, are the sunglasses. They're also seem pretty cheap. They're plastic. But everything else, I love some skincare. Farmacy, fantastic. I love products from Earth Harbor. This eyeshadow palette is in a color story I will definitely use and enjoy. And a little side note that a lot of you don't know, as much as I'm a makeup enthusiast, I love cooking. So I love my Lazy Susan and the spoon rest. I'm going to list the MSRP total for the box. Let's see what kind of a value we get. Honestly, for $50, I definitely got my money's worth. The Farmacy moisturizer, this, I'm happy. And at the end of the day, even if the value comes back as just 50 flat, I like everything in the box. I got my money back. I know it's going to be more than that. So that's good. Let me know, do you also subscribe to Fabfitfun? What did you get in your box? Did you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed my box? Oh, and one more thing I'm going to toss into this video. So this here is from Fabfitfun. If anyone saw my winter unboxing, thank you. I got cheated out of a product, or there was a mistake. I was missing an item. Their customer service is fantastic. I sent an email that same day, got a reply back same day, next day. Anyways, I finally received the replacement item, which I assume is in this box. I just have been saving it to unbox now. Ooh, look how fancy. BoxyCharm wouldn't do this. What we have here, and I've never seen this, I've gotten this product in several boxes, never in the little paper sleeve. This here is from Sunday Riley, and it is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, which looks like this. Super fancy, super bougie. I want to say $65 or $85, I forget which price point. But when this was not in my box, I was a little bummed. So I'm happy I now have it. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you. By the way, if you're still here watching, in addition to your comment, mention something about Sunday Riley. That way I know who sticks around to the end. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.